Happening today, site cleanup begins at 63rd and Prospect for a big redevelopment project at that site. Sarah Hollenbeck joins us live there now with the details. Good morning, Sarah.
Hey, Jaja, this is quite a cleanup effort. We're talking about between 80 and 140 acres here. And as you can see some of that high grass behind us. It's really going to take quite a bit of time and money. And they tell me that they also believe that there is asbestos here on site. So, of course, that's going to delay this cleanup as well. Now, workers in charge of the environmental project are telling me that they expect cleanup could take until the end of September. But they also want to redevelop this site. So they are in a hurry to try and get this work done. Now, they're focusing on the area between Park and Prospect Avenues and between 61st and 63rd Streets. If they do find asbestos in the concrete or soil, they'll have to test it, then take it over to a lab and make sure that they throw it away in a special landfill. Now, the city says they'll be careful to suppress any dust from the cleanup and will monitor the air quality to make sure that the neighbors around this area will not get sick. Now, the Natural Resource Department in Missouri has to approve this site cleanup, and then they'll be able to actually go out and advertise this site. There is already a sign out here that says it's available. They're trying to get more businesses to come and relocate on this site once it is all cleaned up. Now, coming up in the next half hour, we're going to talk about just how expensive this will cost and how much it will be for the city to do this cleanup. Reporting live at 63rd and Prospect, I'm Sarah Hollenbeck for 2 Action News.